Hi, my name is Jessica Ante. I'm a K-5 STEM teacher in Marietta City Schools. This is my Artifact 6. Standard 3.1, ISTE Criterion 8, Implement learning experiences for students to be empathetic and socially responsible. Standard 3.3, ISTE Criterion 10, Mentor students in safe, ethical, and legal use, including intellectual property. And Standard 3.4, ISTE Criterion 11, Model Responsible Use, including protection of digital identity and personal data. Standard 3.1, ISTE Criterion 8, Implement learning experiences for students to be empathetic and socially responsible. To do this, I created lesson plans to teach the 5th grade students at our school. Both of these lesson plans focus on ISTE Student Standards 1.2b. The first lesson was titled Empathy in the Digital World. In this lesson, the students explores ways to show empathy to their friends, family, and teachers. They explain how empathy can be used when responding online. Part 2 of the lesson continued enhancing the students' knowledge of showing empathy digitally. In this lesson, students came up with situations where they would want others to show empathy to them. After coming up with a scenario, they wrote a response showing empathy. Upon reflection, in these lessons, I was able to provide support for English learners that helped them to be successful. I learned that young students need more examples and discussion to understand the topic. I plan on continuing to teach lessons on digital empathy throughout the school year. Standard 3.3, Criterion 10, Mentor students in safe, ethical, and legal use, including intellectual property. I created lesson plans to teach 5th graders in our school how to use safe and ethical practices when using technology. The title of this lesson is Internet Ethics for the Win. In this lesson, students learned what ethics are and how they apply to online behavior. Students brainstormed words and phrases related to internet ethics and share their ideas by doing a gallery walk. Through reflection on the lesson, I learned that young learners lack background knowledge on this topic. The groups needed support to direct their thinking and come up with ideas. I plan on continuing to teach lessons on internet ethics throughout the school year. Standard 3.4, Criterion 11, Model Responsible Use, including protection of digital identity and personal data. I did this by teaching 2 lessons to students about responsible digital use. The first lesson is titled, I Have a Digital Footprint. In this lesson, students are taught about responsibly picking screen names, handles, and email addresses. Students then use their handle and create a post. Guidelines remain posted on the board throughout the students' work time. In the second lesson, Keep It Private, students learn the importance of digital privacy. They practice making appropriate safe posts to our class discussion post on our LMS Schoology. Upon reflecting on these lessons, I realized that I also need to teach personal data safety and model the concepts using my own personal experience. I also learned that students had background knowledge on this topic and they grasped the concepts quickly.